Hello, it's Lady Erin from Happy Pixel Trees, and today we're going to be building a very basic wool farm. First thing we'll want to do is place a chest. So we'll put down a chest, and right behind it, we'll add a hopper facing into the chest. Next, we're going to want to put a hopper with a minecart on top of the hopper. So build up some dirt on either side of the hopper. Next, add a rail in between the two blocks facing the blocks. This way, when we place the minecart with the hopper, it won't roll away. Next, we're going to want to build a platform on top of that. So add 3 more blocks on top of the blocks you already have, and add another row behind it. Also add blocks on each side in the back, leaving the center block open. This will help anything that's on top of the center block be sucked into the minecart with hopper and into the chest. We're going to want to watch the center block with an observer, so place an observer facing towards the center block and have the little red dot facing out the back. Behind that, add another block. Next, we're going to want to place a dispenser facing towards the center block. So jump on top of the platform and place a dispenser directly on top of the observer facing towards the center. Behind the dispenser, place some redstone dust. Next, build up a cage on each side of the center block. So when all 3 sides are erected, then add a block on top of the dispenser as well. Next, we're going to want to load the dispenser with some shears. The more shears you add to the dispenser, the longer it will last. And lastly, we're going to want to put a sheep in the middle. You can either lure the sheep in with some wheat or use a spawn egg. The idea behind this farm is any time the center block changes, such as the sheep eating the grass or the grass growing back, it'll send a signal through the red dot of redstone dust on the back to the dispenser to shear the sheep. And then any wool on top of that center block will be funneled through the minecart with the hopper into the hopper and then into the chest. So let's wait and see how it works. See, as soon as the sheep ate the grass, the redstone fired and it made the dispenser go off. And as soon as the grass grew back, it also fired. And then if we come around, we can check what our cart has, and it has 3 pieces of wool. So this may not be the fastest farm, but it's definitely efficient and it's a good basic starter farm. Thank you for watching, and I hope you had fun building this little farm with me. See you next time!